are you craving for sarson ka saag or makki ki roti in this winter? Then this easy recipe is for you. As this dish that is majorly made and eaten during the winters and has immense health benefits, enough to protect one from the harsh winter weather. While making the authentic dish is not so hard, it can be little time consuming, but once you taste the buttery saag along with the fluffy roti, you wouldn't mind the walk. Hello and welcome back to Cooking Story, and this is Smita. So let's check the ingredient to make this recipe. And the ingredients are asafetida, red chili whole, red chili powder, garlic chopped, clarified butter, tomato chopped, salt, green chili, garlic cloves, ginger chopped. With that, mustard leaves as well as palak leaves. Mustard greens are slightly bitter in taste, so adding other green leafy vegetable balance that bitterness. With that mouth-watering makki ki roti, which we will make with maize flour, and this is easily available in any supermarket. Now let's begin. Take a pressure cooker, add 1 cup of water, into it add 2 bunches of palak leaves and 4 bunches of mustard seed leaves. With that, we will add 4 to 5 garlic cloves and 2 green chili. And then cover and wait for 4 whistles. On the other side, let us take 2 cups of maize flour on a mixing bowl. Then add half cup of warm water, though you can adjust the water according to the need of the dough. Then with a spoon slightly mix it as the water is very hot. So after mixing it with the spoon, then use your hand and knead it into a firm dough. Then add half teaspoon of oil and again knead it for 1 to 2 minutes. Then cover and keep aside for 15 minutes before further rolling it down. Over here, I want to inform you that as maize flour has no gluten and thus to roll corn flour dough is little tricky. So if you add half cup of wheat flour or all-purpose refined flour, then it will be easy for you to roll it down. Next, cover it and give a resting time for at least 15 minutes before rolling it. Now let's check the saag. When the pressure releases automatically, then open the pressure cooker and then remove these green leaves into a mixer grinder and grind it to a fine paste. No need to add water as this saag has already water in it. Now once our saag is done properly, you can see in this video. Keep it on a side and now let us make a tarka for this saag. In a pan add 2 tablespoons of refined oil and 1 tablespoon of clarified butter. And once it heat up, then add 2 to 3 red chili whole, 1/4 teaspoon of hing or asafetida, then slightly stir it and then add 1 tablespoon of garlic chopped and 1 tablespoon of ginger chopped. Then add 2 medium-sized tomato chopped. Now cook it in a medium-high flame until it turns mushy. After cooking it for 3 to 4 minutes, then add salt as per your taste and half teaspoon of red chili powder, though you can adjust the hotness according to your taste bud. Then again stir it well and then add the green leafy paste at this point of time. After adding the leafy green paste, then quickly stir it in a high flame for 1 to 2 minutes. After that, reduce the flame and add 1 tablespoon of makki ki atta or maize flour so that it absorbs the moisture, and then reduce the flame and cook in a very low flame for at least 8 to 10 minutes as it will enhance the taste more. Once it is cooking, on the other side we will make the roti so that we can have both together and it will be served hot. Finally, before serving the sarson ki saag and makki ki roti, let us make the roti. For this, for 3 to 4 minutes, knead the dough before dividing the dough into 10 equal parts and roll out each portion. After kneading it for 4 to 5 minutes, take small parts, then take one at a time, and now sprinkle some maize flour on the rolling base and roll it down with the help of a rolling pin. While rolling it down, be careful. You need to roll very lightly or else it will break. So for the beginners, first of all, I already informed you that you need to add half cup of wheat flour so that you can roll them smoothly. Now in a heated tawa, place the roti one by one and in a medium high flame cook it until they turn fluffy up or brown spot appears on both the sides. After 3-4 minutes, you need to add oil or you can also add butter and cook it for another 1 to 2 minutes until from both the sides it's done golden brown. Then remove it from the hot tawa and like this you do the entire roti and serve hot with sarson ka saag and enjoy them with your friends and family. So before I show you how to serve this makki ki roti with sarson ka saag, let you tell me the benefits of this special combo. Makki ki roti or maize flatbread is full of vitamin A, C, K and beta carotene. These are very good for skin, hair, heart, brain and digestion. And sarson ka saag is rich in dietary fibers that aid in proper digestion, prevent constipation and improve gut health. Sarson or mustard leaves are a rich source of vitamin C which will build the body's immunity against the harsh winter weather. So, this combination or recipe is very famous in winter season, especially in Punjab. At last, if you think this recipe, makki ki roti with sarson ka saag, is worth watching it and easy to make in the way I have shown you, then don't forget to subscribe my channel Cooking Story and hit the bell icon so when I upload new recipes, you get the notification first. Till then, stay healthy, stay wealthy, enjoy winter. See you again with another new episode. Till then, bye bye.